NailStar Professional 12W LED Nail Dryer Nail Lamp for gel polish with 30 sec, 60 sec, 90 sec and 30 min timers, black. For timer settings, this NailStar LED lamp has 4 built-in timer settings of 30 sec, 60 sec, 90 sec and 30 min to fit every need. Making this nail lamp perfect for both low-intensity use at home or for a higher-intensity use in a professional salon environment. Professional results, compatible with all LED-friendly nail gel brands including CND Shellac, Gelish, Gellen, and OPI. You can achieve salon-quality results in minutes, all from the comfort of your own home. Portable and lightweight, the compact lightweight design of the nail dryer makes it perfect for transporting to wherever you want to use it. This makes it great for sleepovers, travel, school, and mobile salons. Easy and safe. The simple and easy-to-use design makes this lamp perfect for everyone from beginner to professional manicurists. It is also fitted with environmentally friendly LED lights that are completely safe and non-harmful to both you and the environment. 12 month warranty. NailStar offer a full 12-month warranty. If you encounter any problems, simply get in touch with our friendly customer service team who will be happy to help. We pride ourselves on our top quality products and service, so you can buy NailStar products with confidence and trust. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.